Finish honor of Homer Simpson. Oh my God. Don't! No. Cold and windy today. It's my homeboy Nate. He just happened to be here, which I had a feeling of this whole time. This lake is fucking gorgeous all the time. That didn't take too long. Well, I have another solution for this. No one told me there was a hurricane coming. Now I'm gonna do my little secret to tethering this thing to my chest. Oh, damn. I guess this can just be my opportunity to get better at ice fishing with gloves on. Luckily, it's not like fishing in the summer where I gotta hold it up like this because I'm looking in front of me. That's a pain in the ass. I would do something that mounts onto my head, but I can't see the screen. I couldn't tell if I had a bite there or it was the wind fucking blowing me around. I'd be so nervous having my rod like that. It's got just his sitting on a bucket. If it was my luck, I would set my stuff there, turn around to take a piss, turn back, and it's gone. I lost an anchor not far from, like, over that way somewhere. Oh, damn. I mean, it's not that cold right now, but shit. Now I'm getting blown the fuck around everywhere. Homeboy's got a bite. Rip that bitch. Finish honor of Homer Simpson. Oh my God. Don't! Oh yeah. I love how cold this shit is. Okay, I stopped because a screw fell out of this. So that's not good. Where in the fuck could that could have come from? All right, well that was random. And then the wind just stopped for a second. And then it picks back up. Where the hell are these fish? Yeah, there's a fish finally.
Hey, there we go.
Hey, that's not bad. Kind of tiny, honestly. Oh, I got it real good in there.
Oh, nice.
Damn. I got all 3 hooks in its mouth. Sorry about that. I mean, it's kind of skinny. See ya. Nerd. Everybody, please make sure you like and subscribe. I'm freezing my ass off out here for you. Not really freezing. My feet are getting a little cold, but I'm fine. Oh, wait. Ah, fuck. Yeah. That is not the same fish. That wasn't a very good angle on that, but whatever. Hey, look. Some crack. Please like and subscribe. Come on, you little bastards. Yeah, please everybody like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm almost at 4,000 subscribers. Wait. Oh, Adam. Oh, that's not, hey, hold on one second.